Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to show you how to recover the deleted YouTube videos step by step. So even though YouTube does not have a trash bin, there are still a few ways to get your deleted videos back. So let's get started. You can start by opening up YouTube. For that, go to your browser and go to youtube.com. And once you are here, what you can do is you can try accessing your YouTube Studio. Look out for this profile right here, click on it, and then you can select the option of YouTube Studio and access your YouTube Studio first. After you access your YouTube Studio, what you need to do is from the section from your left hand side menu, look out for the content section and select it. And here you'll be seeing all of the list of the uploaded videos that are live, private, or unlisted. So deleted videos won't be shown here, but we can still recover them using links or backup. So what you can do is you can start by checking your Google Drive or your PC backup. So if you've ever used YouTube Studio's upload, it's likely you have the original video file saved on your device or in a backup folder. So you can look out for that in your device. So for example, here you can head over here and then just go over to the video section. And if you find your videos that are uploaded here that is likely saved on your device or in a backup folder, you can find it up from here. Once you find it up, you can head back to YouTube Studio and again start uploading the particular content. So you can just go over and do so and go ahead and upload it. If not that, what we can do is we can even check our YouTube email inbox. So head over to gmail.com for that. And from here in this inbox section, you can look out for the email from YouTube and find it up for the video that you've uploaded. That will include the exact video title and URL of the deleted videos. You can copy that deleted videos URL and just go over and use it next. Apart from that, what we can do is we can contact YouTube support for monetized channels. So in your YouTube Studio, look out for the profile picture or look out for this option called help. And once you select it, this page opens up on your screen. You just need to go over and select the option of contact us and choose the option of allow here first. I can just go over and go ahead and choose the video recovery option here. And once you find it up, here type in video recovery. And once you find video recovery solutions here, you can provide the deleted videos URL and title, and that may help you restore if it was removed due to a technical error or account issue. And that is it, everybody. That is how you can recover deleted YouTube videos content. So if this video helped you, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for more tips and tutorials.